on the world map when we think globally our wings to fly high are shattered. That is what always life has given me. However, today, a ray of hope Mrs. Heritage International has given women wings to fly high and dream big. It was not an easy task for me to get this position without the help of my family. The dreams which were not fulfilled helped to be complete with the second ray of my life, that is, my better half and my young little prince. Culturally, spiritually, historically and geographically, welcome to the land of wonders, land of colors, land of temples and land of festivals, a most diverse country ever found in the world. Namaste, I am Mrunal Gaikwad and it's an honor to represent my country, India, at Mrs. Heritage International. I am 29 years old and I hold my Masters in Arts. The national flag of India is a horizontal, rectangular, tricolor of deep saffron, white and green, with the Ashoka Chakra, 24-spoke wheel in navy blue at its center. We Indians call it as Tiranga. Hindi language is widely spoken across the country and chosen to be our national language. Apart from Hindi, there are 29 regional languages spoken in India. The Indian costume depends on the ethnicity, climate, and cultural tradition of the people spread across each region. Culturally, female clothing consists of sari and wrap-up garment like salwar kameez and chudidar. Indian bridal wear, lehenga choli, is one of the most famous traditional wear. Across the Indian males wear dhoti, kurta, lungi and traditional sherwanis. The music of India include multiple varieties like Indian classical music, folk, filmy and Indian pop. Traditional music including Hindustani music and Carnatic music has a long history and is developed over several eras. Dance in India comprises numerous styles of dances, generally classified as classical or folk. As with other aspects of Indian culture, different forms of dances originated in different parts of India and are developed according to the local tradition and culture. Widely known classical dance forms are Bharatnatyam, Kathak, Kathakali, Kuchipudi, Odissi and Manipuri. Folk and tribal dance forms are also widely seen in the country. The food which is worshipped at the first harvest is rice. Other than this, majorly cereals like lentils, wheat and sugarcane are the foremost food items grown in India. I believe the first step of nurturing our heritage and culture hand in hand with truthfulness, humanity, tolerance and loving kindness. A simple but powerful thought by Mahatma Gandhi, firm believer of ahimsa, non-violence, with the belief of Mrs. Heritage International 2016. and I'm privileged to be a part of this mission for nurturing heritage, global values, and be a ray of hope for a beautiful tomorrow. As being Mrs. India Heritage, today I pledge to protect my environment by spreading the awareness among the youth of this country by utilizing the power of education and empowering them to save our environment, culture, and heritage by non-polluting and avoiding environmental calamities. With this effect, it will not only give power to my vision, will also empower the racial issue of our society. Also with this, I believe we can protect all the four corners of our country, which is heritage, culture, peace, environment, and tourism. I welcome to the land of mountains, beaches, historical and religious places. Last but not the least, Indians always believe our tourists to be God, so they are called Atithi Devo Bhava. By these true hearts of seven wonders, I am coming shortly to spread the message of love and kindness at Mrs. Heritage International 2016. See you at Colombo, Sri Lanka 2016.